In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out from your Google account on an Android phone. Today, I'm gonna use Samsung Galaxy S23. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And first off, we need to open up Settings. We can easily do so by tapping a Settings icon from our home screen. However, if you cannot find it on your home screen, then just swipe down to bring up these quick options. And that's where we can also find Gear and we can tap on it to go to Settings. On Settings, guys, we are looking for the option which is called Account and Backup. Here it is on your smartphone. It may be called something like Accounts. So just search for Accounts or Accounts and Backup. Then get in there. And the very top you will find Manage Accounts feature. And that's where we can easily find all the accounts. We are currently signed in on that particular device. Here at the top, we can see Google account. And then to sign out from this account, first off, we need to tap on it. That's where we can easily find this button. I'm gonna tap at Remove Account. In this pop-up, it says removing the account will delete all its messages, contacts, and other data from the device. To continue, just hit at Remove Account. However, guys, you need to keep in mind that it will not remove the account itself. It will just sign you out from that particular account on that particular device. If this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button